Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's Today in Lighting.com. Thursday, 18 April. We're sponsored by MaxLight, energy efficient products for over 30 years. Here are the stories making news. Most litigation is quite repetitive and boring. However, the Menards Signify IP suit is different. Menards complained to the court that Signify is piling on. Just when Menards has their defense figured out, Signify adds more products. It started with 12 products and now it's up to 140. And on this particular suit, Signify has done this 5 times. Linda Longo is a writer and a competitor. More importantly, she is a friend. Unfortunately, her house burned down and 2 of her pets were killed. A GoFundMe page has been set up and we link to that. Getting over a fire and losing everything is a very tall task. So if you have a chance, please go to the GoFundMe page and support Linda. She needs our help. In a recent article from Designing Lighting Global magazine, Colin Ball, lighting director at BDP, discusses sustainability strategies, emphasizing flexibility, granular control, and reuse of luminaires. Read the full article at designinglightingglobal.com. An early bird discount for the LIT Lighting Design Awards is available until 28 April. That event will be in London the day before the IALD Enlighten Europe conference. Details at designinglighting.com. And there are only 28 days until the 2024 IES and DOE Research Symposium in Portland. That's going to be 15-16 May. Register at edisonreport.com. Visa Lighting unveils the Terra collection featuring 4 new decorative pendants inspired by nature. Each pendant offers versatile lighting options, made in the USA and available now for specification and shipment. Yesterday, the market had a tough day. The Dow was down 46, NASDAQ dropped 182, and Acuity was down $3.28. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great day. Pray for peace.